The next question is, discuss the significance of the lion and bull figures in Indian mythology, art and architecture. Underline the keywords. Discuss the significance of the lion and bull figures. Lion and bull figures in Indian mythology, art and even architecture. Even this question is of 250 words. So we have to discuss about the significance of the lion and bull figures in Indian mythology and architecture along with art. Clear? So first of all, this question seems to be very surprising question, but no, this has got a very important logic to be understood and it's quite applicative in nature. So question is quite applicative. You need to go for some brainstorming. You need to contemplate to write some major points in this answer. So first of all, we'll discuss about significance of lion and bull in Indian mythology. So what is the importance of bull and lion in Indian mythology? First of all, this angle, clear? And Indian mythology, first of all, we'll discuss about the importance of bull and lion in the religion of Hinduism. What is the importance of bull and lion in Hinduism? First of all, the image of bull, which is known as Nandi in Hinduism, is considered to be protector of God. Clear? So image of bull or Nandi is considered to be protector of God. That is why the image of Nandi is placed in the entrance of major Shiv temples in India. So Nandi is considered to be protector of God. Moreover, second important is lion. Lion is considered to be vehicle of Goddess Durga. Vehicle of Goddess Durga. Clear? Lion is considered a vehicle of Goddess Durga and also known as Ma Sharovali. So lion indicate Goddess Durga and vehicle. Another importance of lion is the image or sculpture of Narsimha, which is found in major period of Indian history, including Vijayanagar. Clear? Rulers were also known as Veera Narsimha. Narsimha indicate half man, half lion, basically to show power and aggression. This is very important in religion of Hinduism. So this is all related to mythology, related to Hinduism. Nandi, bull indicating protector of God. Lion, vehicle of Goddess Durga. Narsimha, half man and half lion, to indicate power and aggression in Indian mythology. Clear? Coming to importance of lion and bull in Buddhist mythology. So after Hinduism, we'll discuss about importance or significance of bull and lion in Buddhist religion. So importance in the mythology of Buddhism. Number one, clear? First is, bull is the symbol, birth symbol of Gautam Buddha. Bull is the birth symbol of Gautam Buddha. So this bull indicates the birth of Gautam Buddha. Not only this, the Shakya clan to which Gautam Buddha belonged in the region of Sravasti, Shakya clan in the region of Sravasti had their royal symbol as lion. Clear? So lion was the symbol of Shakya clan to which Gautam Buddha belonged. In fact, his father was the ruler of the Shakya clan in the region of Sravasti. Next important thing is Dharma Chakra. Importance is Dharma Chakra. Clear? And in this Dharma Chakra, lion is shown at the back. So lion at back is indicated in Dharma Chakra. That means basically religious motion. Religious motion to be supported by lion. And at the same time, both bull and lion are considered to be protector in Buddhism. So these animals are taken as protector of the faith. Yeah. So Buddhism, in Buddhist mythology, bull indicate birth symbol of Gautam Buddha. Shakya clan had lion as their official symbol. Dharma Chakra has lion at the back, and bull and lion are considered to be protector of Buddhist faith. So these are importance of lion and bull in Buddhist religion. So apart from Hinduism, they have mythological significance in Buddhism as well. Now coming to mythological importance of bull and lion in Jain religion. We also need to look into their importance in Jain religion. Importance of bull and lion in the mythology of Jainism. First of all, the first Tirthankar of Jain religion, Rishabhnath, is indicated by the symbol of bull. And the 24th and the last Tirthankar of Jain religion, Mahavir, is indicated by the symbol of lion. Clear? So in Jain religion, the first Tirthankar, Rishabhnath, is indicated by bull. The 24th Tirthankar, Mahavir, is indicated by lion. So that indicates mythological significance of bull and lion. And finally, in the mythology of Sikhism, the newest religion of India, the term Singh basically indicate lion. Clear? So the title Singh used in Sikhism indicate lion. Clear? This again indicate mythological importance of lion in Indian mythology or Indian religion. So these were major significance of lion and bull figures in Indian mythology. So this was the first part. Now coming to importance of bull and lion in Indian art and architecture. We need to discuss importance of bull and lion figures in Indian art and architecture. Art and architecture. So this is the second part, art and architecture also. First of all, importance of bull and lion in prehistoric phase. What was the importance of bull and lion in the prehistoric phase? In the prehistoric phase, if we look into rock paintings at Bhimbetka, which is located near Bhopal in Madhya Pradesh. In Bhimbetka, there is a fighting scene. In Bhimbetka, there is a fighting scene between male and lion. Clear? That indicate lion was highly important in the field of art. So in the Bhimbetka paintings of art, there's a clear-cut fighting scene between male and lion. This is the most important significance in art of prehistoric times. When we move to Mauryan period, Ashokan Pillars, very important artistic creation of ancient India. Ashokan Pillars at Rampurwa, Bihar. Ashokan Pillars at Rampurwa has bull as its capital. On top, there's an image of bull, figure of bull. The question that is asked. And at Ashokan Pillar at Sarnath, it has 4 lions as capital, sitting back to back. And even this image, capital of Sarnath, has been adopted as a state emblem by Government of India. Clear? So this is importance of bull and lion in prehistoric phase and the Mauryan phase. Now coming to the post-Mauryan phase. What is the importance of bull and lion in art and architecture of post-Mauryan phase? In the post-Mauryan phase, we have Sanchi and Amravati Stupa, Buddhist monuments, Sanchi and Amravati Stupa. Clear? And Sanchi and Amravati Stupa, there are images of figures of bull and lion. There are figures of bull and lion on pillars and toran. Toran means gateways. So there are images of bull and lion in the stupas of Sanchi and Amravati being depicted on pillars and the toran. Clear? At the same time, the importance of bull and lion in the Gupta and post-Gupta period. Post-Gupta period. What is the importance of bull and lion? The importance of bull and lion is the image of bull, figure of bull, that is Nandi, in front of all Shiv temples. Front of Shiv temples. Yeah, so image of Nandi in front of all Shiv temples. Clear? As we had discussed, Nandi is worshipped in Hindu mythology as protector of God. So image of Nandi is there, a figure of Nandi is there in front of all the Shiv temples. So in postmodern period, bull and lion being represented on pillars and torrents of stupas at Sanchi and Amravati. In post-Gupta period, there is image of Nandi in front of all the Shiv temples, because from Gupta period, Shiv temples began to be constructed in India. Clear? So all these resulted into major developments in art and culture related to lion and bull in mythology, art and architecture. To conclude the answer, you need to write a concluding remark in one sentence or two sentences at max. You can write that the mythological importance along with art and architecture are very well manifested through the significance of lion and bull, which are found in all major religions of India as well as in all the major artistic and architectural monuments of India. This will conclude the answer. You can also write in this way that lion and bull, being very important in ancient times, got reflected in mythology of different religions along with artistic and architectural creations of humankind. Clear? This would be the concluding remarks. In my earlier video, I had discussed the major format of 3 questions asked from modern India. With this, we have discussed 3 questions on art and culture. So altogether 6 questions were asked in paper 1 of general studies. This time we had discussed all the 6 questions related to history and culture with related to mains examination of 2022. Hope everything was clear to you. You will follow this approach in coming time to write any answer which is asked from history and culture. All the best and thank you everyone.